So let's learn and enjoy mathematics.
Our lesson is about calculating quartiles, interquartile range, and outliers for ungrouped data.
Let us go back to the quartiles of ungrouped data. The quartiles are the score points which divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. So that is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So this one is 0%. Quartile 1, that is 25%. The median, that is the quartile 2, that is 50%. Quartile 3, that is 75% or the upper quartile. And then this one is 100%. So the quartile 2, that is the median. And then the quartile 1, that is the lower quartile. And the quartile 3, that is the upper quartile. So as you can see in the table, the middle, that could be the quartile 2 or the median. And then to the left side, that is the lower half. And then the right side, that is the upper half. To get the quartile 1, as you can see from start up to the median, the middle, that is the quartile 1. From quartile 2 up to the last, we will get the middle, that is the quartile 3. What could be the formula to identify the interquartile range? That is the difference of quartile 3 and quartile 1. So the formula Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1.
What is outliers? An outlier is a value in a data set that is much smaller or much larger than the other values. If we have the given 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 35, the outliers, that is 35 because most of the values is between 5 and then 10. So 35 is far away from the rest. So the outliers is equal to 35. Outliers may indicate first, unusual observations, second, measurement errors, third, exceptional performances, and then the fourth one, that is rare events. What could be the outlier rule? The formula, if that is lower fence, whatever is the value of the quartile 1 minus 1.5 and times the interquartile range. The upper fence, that is quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. It means any value less than the lower fence is outliers or greater than the upper fence that is in an outlier.
In example number 1, find the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the interquartile range of the data if the infected person of the virus in each day are 320, 290, 370, 260, 180, and 430. So let us arrange those numbers in ascending order from lowest to highest. So the lowest is 180. So we need to write 180. After 180, that is 260, and then 290, 320, 370, and 430. So let us find now the lower quartile or the Q sub 1. Before we identify the Q sub 1, first we need to identify the quartile 2. So the quartile 2, so let us count this set of data that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the middle is between 3 and then 4. So that is 290 and 320. So this one, that is the middle, that is the quartile 2. So let us identify the quartile 1. So this is the lower half and then the upper half. So lower half and then upper half. Let us identify now the lower quartile. So the lower quartile, that is equal to 260 because 1, 2, 3, the middle is 260. So Q sub 1 is equal to 260 or the lower quartile is equal to 260. How about the upper quartile or the Q sub 3? So from this median up to the last, so this is measures of the position 4th, 5th, and 6th. Let us get the middle. So the middle is 5th, so that is 370. So the Q sub 3 is equal to 370. Or the upper quartile, it is equal to 370. Let us identify now the interquartile range. Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. Q sub 3 is 370 minus the Q sub 1 that is 260. 370 minus 260, the interquartile range, it is equal to 110. So from quartile 3 minus the quartile 1, so here, the interquartile range is equal to 110.
The quartile 1 is equal to 260. The quartile 3 that is equal to 360. And the interquartile range is 110. Let us identify the lower fence. So the lower fence, the formula is quartile 1 minus 1.5 times interquartile range. So quartile 1 that is equal to 260. Let us replace. Copy negative 1.5 times the interquartile range. So that could be mean as 260 minus 1.5 times 110. So first you need to multiply 1.5 times 110 and then subtract it from 260. So the answer for the lower fence that is equal to 95. How about the upper fence? The upper fence is the formula is quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Our value for the quartile 3 that is equal to 370 plus 1.5 times 110. So if we multiply 1.5 times 110 plus 370, the answer for the upper fence that is equal to 535. So kung tititigan natin yung value, the value arranged to smallest to largest. 95, lower than 95, wala. And then higher than 535, wala. So it means the outlier is none. So, nasa boundary yung lower fence and then upper fence.
How about number 2? During the month of April, Ma'am Mila recorded the number of passing score of students. The results are 14, 10, 12, 12, 17, 15, 18, 19, 14, 11, and 11. Find the value of the Q sub 1, Q sub 3, and the interquartile range of the data. First, we need to arrange those numbers in ascending order, from the lowest to highest. So, first is 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 14, 14, 15, 17, 18, and 19. So let us solve now for the quartile 1 or the Q sub 1. Before we identify the Q sub 1, let us count those numbers. So if we count those numbers, that is 11. So let us find the middle, that is the quartile 2. Or if we find the middle, that is the median. So the middle, that is 14. So it means the quartile 2, it is equal to 14. So this is the lower half and the upper half. If we count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us find the middle, and then we will find out the quartile 1. So the middle, that is 11. So the quartile 1, it is equal to 11. So let us identify now the quartile 3. So let us find the middle between 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. So the middle, that is 17. So that is the Q sub 3 or the quartile 3, it is equal to 17. So let us find now the interquartile range of the data. So Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. The Q sub 3, it is equal to 17 minus the Q sub 1, that is 11. So 17 minus 11, the interquartile range of the data, it is equal to 6.
Quartile 1 is 11. Quartile 3 is 70. And the interquartile range is equal to 6. Let us identify the lower fence. So the lower fence, quartile 1, that is 11, minus 1.5 times 6. So 11 minus 1.5 times 6. So first we need to multiply 1.5 times 6. So 11 minus 9. The answer is equal to 2. So the lower fence is equal to 2. How about the upper fence? So upper fence, the formula quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. The quartile 3, that is 17. 17 plus 1.5 times 6. So it means 17 plus 9, so equals 26. So the outlier, so if that is lower fence is 2, the upper fence is 26. So kung tititigan natin, walang lagpas dun sa boundary between 2 and 26. So it means the outlier, that is equal to none.
In example number 3, find the first quartile, Q sub 1, second quartile, Q sub 2, third quartile, Q sub 3, and the interquartile range given the scores of 10 students in their mathematics activity are 1, 27, 16, 7, 31, 7, 33, and 21. First, we need to arrange from ascending order, from lowest to highest. So first is 1, next is 3, and then 7, another 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and then 31. First, we need to identify the Q sub 2 or the second quartile. So, let us find the median. So, we have the numbers that is from 1 to 9. If we count, that is 1 to 9. So, the middle, that is from the fifth position. So, the Q sub 2, that is equal to 16. So, it means this is the lower half and then the upper half. So the Q sub 2, that is equal to 16. So let us identify now the Q sub 1, that is the first quartile. So if we count, this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So it means the, the Q sub 1 is between the second and third position. So let us add 3 plus 7 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 5. So the Q sub 1 is equal to 5. How about the Q sub 3? So the Q sub 3, if we count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the middle is between the position 7 and 8. So we need to add 7 and 8 position. So it means the Q sub 3, it is equal to 27 plus 30 divided by 2. 27 plus 30 divided by 2 is 57 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 28.5. So let us solve now the interquartile range. It is equal to Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. Q sub 3 is 28.5 and then the Q sub 1, that is equal to 5. So 28.5 minus 5. The answer for the interquartile range, that is equal to 23.5.
Let us continue to solve for the lower fence and then the upper fence. The lower fence is equal to quartile 1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So first we need to identify the quartile 1. So the quartile 1 is 5 minus 1.5 times 23.5. First, you need to multiply 1.5 times 23.5. Afterwards, 5 minus the value of this one, the answer is equal to negative 30.25. The upper fence, that is quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Our quartile 3, that is equal to 28.5 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range, that is 23.5. So 28.5 plus the value of 1.5 times 23.5, the answer is 63.75. So negative 30.25, that is the lower fence. The upper fence, that is 63.75. So it means the outlier is none. So, nandun lahat yung boundary natin for the lower and then the upper fence.
In example number 4, find the first quartile, Q sub 1, second quartile, Q sub 2, third quartile, Q sub 3, and the interquartile range given the scores of 14 students in English are 45, 66, 88, 90, 86, 84, 50, 54, 50, 92, 93, 75, 74, 80. First, we need to arrange from lowest to highest or in ascending order. The lowest is 45. Next to 45 is 50, another 50, and then 54, 66, 74, 75, 80, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, and then 93. First, we need to identify the quartile 2 or the second quartile. But first, we need to identify the middle. So the middle from those numbers from 1 up to 14. N is equal to 14. It means the middle that is between the position 7 and then 8. So the quartile 2 is between the position of 7 and 8. So this is the lower half and then the upper half. So let us solve for the quartile 2. So that is 75 plus 80 divided by 2. 75 plus 80 divided by 2, 155 divided by 2, the answer is equal to 77.5. How about the quartile 1 or the first quartile? So the first quartile, we will start from 1 up to 7. So let us find the middle. the middle is on the position of fourth, it means the quartile 1, it is equal to 54. So q sub 1 equals 54. How about the q sub 3? Between the position 8 to 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the middle, it is on 11, that is 88. So the q sub 3, that is equal to 88. Let us solve now for the interquartile range, that is q sub 3 minus the q sub 1. Q sub 3 is 88 minus the q sub 1, that is 54. 88 minus 54, the answer is equal to 34. So the interquartile range is equal to 34.
Right now, let us solve for the lower fence and the upper fence. The lower fence, the formula is quartile 1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Quartile 1 is 54 minus 1.5 times 34. So it means 54 minus the value, the answer is equal to 3. The upper fence, that is quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Our quartile 3, that is 88, plus 1.5 times 34. If we add, the answer is 139. So if we get the lower fence and then the upper fence, lahat ay nasa boundary, it means the outlier or the outlier, that is equal to none. We have the data set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. First, we need to identify the quartile 2. So yung pinakagitna niya, that is the quartile 2. The quartile 1 is on the left side, and then the quartile 3 is on the right side. So it means we need to identify the value for the quartile 1 is between 4 and 6. And then the quartile 3 is between 14 and 16. 4 plus 6 is 10 divided by 2. So the quartile 1 is equal to 5. 14 plus 16 divided by 2. So that is 30 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 15. And then afterwards, let us subtract 15 minus 5 because quartile 3 minus the quartile 1. So the interquartile range is equal to 10. Let us continue to solve for the lower fence. So quartile 1 is 5 minus 1.5 times 10. So 5 minus 1.5 times 10. So 5 minus the value, that is 15. So 5 minus 15, the answer is equal to negative 10. Let us get now the upper fence. So the upper fence, that is 15. So quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So 15 plus 1.5 times 10. So 15 plus 15, the answer is equal to 30. So negative 10 and positive 30, negative 10 is the lower fence and positive 30 is the upper fence. So it means the outlier is equal to none. So lahat ay within the boundaries. The data set 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, and 50. So quartile 2, that is equal to 12. So the quartile 1 is on the left side, and then the quartile 3, that is on the right side. So quartile 1 is in between 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is 15 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 7.5. 15 plus 18 is 33 divided by 2. That is 16.5. The interquartile range, that is quartile 3 minus the quartile 1. So 16.5 minus 7.5. So 16.5 minus 7.5, the answer for the interquartile range, the answer is equal to 9. Let us continue for the lower fence. So quartile 1 minus 1.5, the interquartile range. Quartile 1, that is 7.5. Copy negative 1.5 times 9. So 7.5 times the 7.5 minus the value of 1.5 times 9, the answer is negative 6. How about the upper fence? So upper fence, quartile 1 plus quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Quartile 3, that is 16.5 plus 1.5 times 9. So quartile 3, 16.5 plus 1.5 times 9, the answer is equal to 30. So the outlier between negative 6 and positive 30, so the boundaries between negative 6 to positive 30, the outlier is 50 because wala siya sa pagitan ng negative 6 and 30. So the outlier is equal to 50. The given data says 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. The median, that is 8. That could be the centered. So that is quartile 2. So the quartile 1 that is on the left side, the quartile 3 that is on the right side. So the quartile 1 is in between 5 and 6. The quartile 3 is between 10 and 12. 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 2, that is 5.5. 10 plus 12, that is 22 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 11. Next, we need to identify the interquartile range. So 11 minus 5.5, the interquartile range is 5.5. Let us get the lower fence. The lower fence is quartile 1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Quartile 1, that is 5.5, minus 1.5 times 5.5. So 5.5 minus, if we multiply 1.5 times 5.5, the answer is equal to negative 2.75. The upper fence, that is quartile 3, plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. The quartile 3, that is 11, plus copy 1.5 times 5.5. 11 plus the value, if we multiply this, the answer is 19.25. So, negative 2.75 and then 19.25. So, lahat ng dataset is within the boundaries. So, the outlier, the answer is equal to none. How about number 8? The data set 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, and 45. The median, that is the quartile 2, that is 12. Quartile 1 is on the left side. Quartile 3 is on the right side. So quartile 1 is between 8 and 9. The quartile 3, that is between 15 and 18. So 8 plus 9 is 17 divided by 2, that is 8.5. 15 plus 18 divided by 2, that is 16.5. So the interquartile range, quartile 3 minus the quartile 1. So 16.5 minus 8.5. The interquartile range, the answer is equal to 8. Let us identify the lower fence. The quartile 1, that is 8.5. Copy negative 1.5 times 8. So 8.5 minus 1.5 times 8. So the answer is negative 3.5. The upper fence, that is quartile 3, plus 1.5, the interquartile range. The quartile 3 is 16.5 plus 1.5 times 8. So if we add 1.5 first times 8 plus 16.5, the answer is 28.5. So the lower fence, that is negative 3.5, and then the upper fence is 28.5. So mula 6 to 18 is within the lower and upper fence, but the outlier, that is equal to 45. So lagpas siya dun sa lower and upper fence. Instruction: calculate quartile 1, quartile 3, and the interquartile range and determine the outliers, if any. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.